Yorgo Liapis lives and works in Toronto, Ontario, and makes artistic studio furniture and sculptural pieces. He does a wide range of work to satisfy his appetite for artistic expression and to pay the bills. The thing that first drew me to Yorgo's work was his use of curves, and how they all blend so nicely together in a piece. Take this desk, for instance. Just about all of the pieces have been hand-shaped, and the curves on the different pieces play off each other. I really like the transition between the legs and the upper rails. Yorgo has designed a series of pieces inspired by a trip to the Amazon. Although he didn't come across a jaguar, being in an area inhabited by these big cats inspired him to bring their coat patterns into furniture. The European walnut burl and ebony marquetry is masterfully done. Yorgo told me his Roots chair is a piece he's really proud of. The mix of curves and complex joinery kept him on his toes during the build, and the stools turned out great. Here's a mix of some other pieces Yorgo has made over the years. Yorgo has brought some carving into his work over the years. This table, which he made during his years at the Centre for Furniture Craftsmanship in Maine, includes some chip carving of fig leaves and fruits. More recently, he's been making what he calls posters, larger carved art pieces that tell a bit of a story about a theme. These range in size, but are all skillfully designed and carved. Yorgo works in a space just outside of downtown Toronto with 6 other woodworkers. There's a central shared machine area with smaller bench areas for each maker. Although he spends a lot of his time at the shop, he enjoys taking longer breaks to recharge. He's often at work until 10 o'clock at night or even later.